20th of February 1959 is a day the people of Kedah will long remember with deep affection. The day of the installation of Malaya's youngest ruler, 32-year-old Sultan Abdul Halim Muazzam Shah. From early morning, 30,000 people dressed in their best made their way to the Balai Besar at Al Ostar to watch the pomp and pageantry of this historic occasion. Led by the Grand Chamberlain, the glittering procession of state regalia bearers, drawn from all communities, moved slowly towards the Balai Besar, followed by the youthful Sultan, soon to be sovereign lord of Kedah and all its dependencies. His Highness then inspected the Guard of Honour, mounted by the 1st Battalion, the Royal Malay Regiment. Like his late father, he is a graduate of Wadham College, Oxford. He was appointed Raja Muda in 1949. The beating of the Nobat drums signals the opening of a ceremony which was last performed 150 years ago. Preceded by the Master of Ceremonies, the Sultan and Sultana move slowly past representatives of His Majesty the Young Di-Pertuan Agong and Their Highnesses the Rulers and other dignitaries. Behind them, a retinue bearing the installation regalia, the Holy Quran, betel nut leaves, incense, the Kris of State, the installation and declaration documents, and the prayer scroll. The Menteri Besar of Kedah, Tunku Ismail, then read the proclamation which formally installed the Sultan as ruler of Kedah. And before the distinguished gathering, His Highness replied, "On this solemn occasion, I dedicate my life to the service of my people. I will defend the faith, I will uphold the Constitution, I will maintain the right." Then the Grand Chamberlain handed the Kris of State to His Highness, a symbol of dignity and authority. And with the reading of the Doa Salamat, a new chapter opened in the history of Kedah. Outside the Balai Besar, thousands of his subjects waited. There were cheers and smiles as their young Sultan and his beautiful Sultana drove past in a mile-long procession through the town. At nightfall, the state of Kedah was given over to rejoicing as gaily decorated buildings blazed with lights. Songs and music filled the air, and dances, old and new, enthralled the milling crowds. To the Sultan and Sultana we say, long may you reign.